La sakhi bahagi pork belalej habadan kino ki jing rakhe ne ki jing laniam ki bakham he. Ka sarkar ke jupan kre ki standard operating procedure khanang bagi ni ki jing rakhe ki no ke bayat bej bat ki badon ki lat jing yada na ka jing pang COVID-19. Kumta ke sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance hakaski balang jong katayo kalabatha ki deputy commissioner jong ki khatwei tili ki district ke jilla. Bakin penlong no ki jing alang ya selok bat ki kenhon baper ke jilla. Komisi benta bantuan jengmut naki hakabedai bat kejing penkrea ikini ki standard operating procedure niki kendon menada kejing sapriang jangka kelam COVID-19 hakane ka ayom lekmen jangka Christmas bat kejing wan kasnem thamai. Kani kejing betha iki deputy commissioner kadai kerai ke bami na kejing elang bishar kam halor ka COVID-19 kabalalum de menteri rang ba kejela Konrad Kongkal Sangma kabale shim benta ki menteri sarkar ki officer keterat kakot kakhya bat kibe Habai keren bakilat patai kubor hadin kejingelang menteri rangba ula pentip baka sarkar kalalu mikini kejingelang kum kesenjam man penkrea iki kendon jingada ya ka kelam COVID-19 na kebenta kejingle akmen ka Christmas bat kesenam thamai kamtam habai i babunsin kipat ba ki juklet ban chimikilat jingada hakum kidi ki porle akmen ka babu pat kejingma Namar kata ula pentip baka sarkar kan sabatha iki deputy commissioner bakin lum iki jingelang ya selok bat ki kenhon baper ban yo iki jing ai jingmut kenang bakin pa apat cak sarkar jela bagan nak ban penmi yaki kendon bapura
in the state, especially keeping in mind the festive season which is already begun and which will only pick up during the course of this month. So it is important that we come up with basic guidelines and, if necessary, protocols to ensure that people are safe. Because we have a tendency that during festive seasons we do tend to let down our guards. So therefore, keeping that in mind, we have decided to have consultations extensively with different stakeholders. So the deputy commissioners will be asked to hold different meetings with different stakeholders to get their feedbacks, and after getting the feedback from them, within a few days' time, maximum hopefully within a week's time, we'll be able to come up with some guidelines for this festive season. But I think in general, I would like to appeal through the media to all our citizens that Christmas time, of course, is a time where we all are in a festive mood. So I would urge that whatever we do, we should always keep the discipline and the safety aspects always there, and as usual maintain all the protocols that we have been maintaining for the past many months.
Kanya caprang hagajela. Ula pentip bagane kejing pa penkret lupa kalong rukat kum kejing betha jong menteri rang ba do kari. Ubala dak betha ya berok kejela kari bagen penkret lupa namar kejing aitika kan sasdang no onda ki start science bat ki regulatory authority jong kari kila ai jing menjur ya kadawai. Nalor kani ula pentip bagajing aitika hakawat benengkong hagajela kan long shwa tangi kinong tre jong katrat kakot kakya bat ki front liner kibe khun ka khlam ki bahab banle cheki jaka ajik sumar ba marjan bagini oban ipad ya katika shakibai.
For the vaccination program, as was mentioned, when we had a meeting with the Honorable Prime Minister last time, he has clearly directed all the states to ensure that the necessary system and logistics are in place to implement the vaccination process as and when the vaccines are approved by the by the scientists and the overall regulatory authorities. So basically, for the state of Meghalaya, we have, since the first phase will be a phase where medical and frontline workers will be the first to be immunized. So therefore, it will be a slightly more structured and easier process, because most of them will be able to go to the closest health center and receive the vaccination. So we are very much ready with that. We have asked all the deputy commissioners to ensure that the manpowers are put in place, the respective infrastructures are put in place. So that will be the first phase, and we expect that there will be maybe most probably 2 dosage that will be required for every individual, which we are not clear yet, but this is what we were told. So we will have to wait and see when the final information comes to us. Today, the government of UK has approved the Pfizer vaccine, so that's a positive news. So hopefully we will see that as the days and the weeks go by, we should we are all hoping that this would happen soon. But I think more importantly, we as a state should be ready to implement it in a swift manner.
Halor kejing berngam jang kisang bhalang ban penteri kam hino ya ka ILP lada ke sarkar pedang kampat ai kejing menjor ke resolution bala menjor ke yang dorbar tawan ke jela. Nagaliang Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulo ang bagi sarkar jelahi kan om ailat satya yakum kene kesenjam haba penpau bagi kenhuan kemde satya banciem yakum kene kelenti haba pentip nagaliang jong ulat ke jela satya pal malik ulak ular ban sekran lembat ke sarkar pedang halor kejing dawa penteri kamno ya ka ILP bat ke Meghalaya Residence Safety and Security Amendment Bill ha Meghalaya. Ula pentip ru bagi sarkar jela klasyem kia bhai ka kambedei bagi kejing perking ya kejing wanrung jegi breu banabar ke jela. Bat kelas sedang ban penyang yaki kerdop entry exit point kam tam ha umling kabla dep mentah haba pentip bakakam kabasa mentah ha umling kalong setang kejing aji hikai yaki brio ke baap akan ke kerdop bagian la ban penteri kamno ya akan ke kerdop.
No, I think we have been already communicating with everybody that there is a sincere effort from the government side. Even the governor has ensured that he will take up the matter with Centre, not just for the ILP but also for the MRSSA. So I think these are all very positive news. So therefore, there is no need for any such action to be taken by anybody. And obviously, this is something that cannot be allowed also. The government will ensure that the law is maintained. But we will also ensure at the same time that all the steps that need to be taken to ensure that we are monitoring the people who are coming in is something that we are very committed to. And that is the reason why now the entry-exit points, especially the entry point at Umling, is ready physically, but we are just training the manpower now. And I think within a matter of days, we should be seeing that entry point being activated. So therefore, there can be clearly people will see that there is a committed effort and a commitment from the state government side to ensure that we have a mechanism in place. Thank you very much.